Zentangle is a meditative art form that is a relaxing method of creating abstract art using structured patterns. It teaches and focuses on being mindful and present. Zentangle requires no artistic skills. Hello, I'm Sandhya Manne. I'm an artist and a certified Zentangle teacher. In this channel, we talk about creating and practicing Zentangle, my own Zentangle inspired artworks and collectibles. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss out on any videos that I post here every Tuesdays and Fridays. Welcome to yet another Zentangle Mini Project. Today's focus tangle in our Focus Flight series is ZEPPO by CZT Ria Matheson. ZEPPO is a fun filler tangle. So I'm going to use a white square tile for today's project with my black pen, pencil and stub. So go grab your supplies and let's get started. On to tangling now. Okay, so here we are with our supplies. This is my white square tile, my 01 black micron, 08 black micron, my pencil and my stub. So these are the supplies that we will be using for today's session. So today's focus tangle is ZEPPO. It's a beautiful or rather simple fun tangle. So let's get started. So here's how I am going to make my string. So I start somewhere here. Okay, so I go out like this. Okay, so let's do that. And I'm going to turn it out. And from here, pull it this way. Okay, so I'm also going to give an aura line to this. So that is my string. So now let's get started with our first tangle, ZEPPO. So ZEPPO goes like this. It's a simple fun. You make a circle or an oval shape and then you give it a nice aura like that. And we go about adding circles like this around it. So these are spread out, it's not tightly packed. And then now I am going to add another one like this, and so they both share the same circle. So that's how they're going to be connected. So again, I am going to go around adding more. Okay, so let's go around doing this. Okay, so take your time to play with this. This is super fun and super engaging.
Okay, so I've done ZEPPO all around. Now let's get to giving some depth. So I'm going to go around adding this little black, whichever direction that I want to give that nice dimension. Now the other thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around giving aura line to the circles, because there's a lot of space between these ZEPPOs, right? So we have a lot of space. So either we can add black, but that would be too black, or we can add some kind of a filling, like the way I'm doing right now. So you can add black if that suits you. But I'm just going to add these little fillers inside, just align. So take your time and go ahead and finish this. So I'm going to go around doing this. Okay, so here it is all done. Now let's get to this section. So here we're going to do a fragment. So I'm going to make my grid. So I'm putting out my lines here. Okay, so this is fragment Q1 and it goes like this. So we start with two diagonal lines like this, parallel lines, and two going this direction. And then we're going to pull out a half circle like this. Okay, so I've made my diagonal lines. Now I'm going to go back in making these pods, these half pods. So I'm going to go around doing this. Okay, so go around adding this on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to fill this entire thing with this tangle. Okay, so here this is all done. Now I'm going to use my ticker tip pen to add black in that section. So we're going to add black in these petals. Okay, so take your time and fill this entire thing with black, all the petals in black. Here it is all done. I like the way it looks. It's very simple but very elegant. So let's get to shading now. I'm just going to add my pencil along this line here. Okay, so like that. Now I'm also going to add my pencil on this side here. Okay, so I'm just going to go over and make this a bit more darker here and spread it out a bit more. So that is our project for today. A simple project but total zen. So there it is. I think I'm going to put it this way. So now let's put our initials and call this complete. So I'm going to put my initials somewhere here like that. Now let's journal this. So today's date is 25th of June 2021 and this is YouTube and we just did focus flight series and we worked with Tangle ZEPPO and Fragment Q1. So there is our tile all done.
Hope you had fun on this project with me. I would love to see your creations. So head on to our Facebook group Zenbeez where all the after party fun happens. Share your creations there and check out the works by other Zenbeez. If you're sharing your works on social media, then please do tag me at Sandhya Manne or hashtag Tangle with Sandhya. So I get to see your lovely works there and I do stop by to comment. A quick note, these projects and these videos are for your personal use and no part of this can be used for any kind of commercial purposes. To understand the Zentangle method and to get started on your own Zentangle journey, send me an email to get information about my online courses. To receive my weekly newsletter, click on the link Tangle Organizer in the description. Claim your free gift and get updates on my upcoming workshops and other fun events that I do across social media. I do a Facebook Live every Friday at 10 a.m. on my Facebook page, Sandhya Manne Studio. Join me there and let's tangle together in real time. Now it's time to comment, so please comment below and let me know how you enjoyed this project because that really helps me plan out my next set of videos. Also, it's time to show some love, so hit that like button, share the video and subscribe to the channel. I shall see you next on Tuesday in our String Safari series. Until then, remember to breathe and smile. See ya. Namaste.